Hi, this is Gayathiri from Coimbatore. I have completed my graduation in engineering in the stream of electronic and communication. I'm a 2020 passed out. So after completed my college, I worked in non-IT for almost 3 years. So after that, I decided to switch my career into an IT field. So I joined in QSpiders at June 2023. I got placed in September 2023. So I placed as a test associate in Amazon. My joining date is 16th October and my package is 2.55 LPA. Work location is Chennai. It was a great experience in QSpider. I want to thank my staffs, Asha sir, Tabra and Bara sir for teaching me the testing subject and SQL and Java. And I want to thank all the HR team members who helped me to throughout my placement process. And I want to thank all the staffs in QSpider. That's all. Thank you.